Do you feel the vibes?
Você, eu, ninguém vai bater tão duro como a vida. Mas não se trata de bater duro. Se trata de quanto você aguenta apanhar e seguir em frente, o quanto você é capaz de aguentar e continuar tentando. É assim que se consegue vencer.
You thought that wouldn't come around to you, round to you. You know I was down for you, down for you. Now I'm wishing that I never bowed to you, bowed to you. I'm in this shit I can't get out of. I ain't proud, I hate the sound of all these songs about you, songs about you. You know I was wrong about you, wrong about you. Let you hold on to this cash, let you hold on to. I'm in this shit I can't get out of. I ain't proud of it. I'm running out of time to hold you close, running out of time to be your man. I'm just lost in this moment. I've been zoning